photosynthesis,
Mm.
and we have to start transpiration.
Transpiration. Okay, fine. Okay, shall we go to transpiration? It is the second function of the leaves. So we are. I thought you are on the route because other classes all have come to the last part of the chapter. Okay, maybe because of some holidays and all. Yes. So the next function of the leaves are transpiration, and these are the major parts: stomata, stem, root. These are the three parts involved in transpiration: root, stem, stomata. Okay, root, stem, stomata. These are the parts involved in transpiration, and leaves also. It is not only that, you can also add leaves. Because leaves is actually transpiration process is taking place on leaves. Okay, so four parts, root, transpiration takes place on, includes in three parts: root, stem, stomata, leaves. And leaves are the major portion. Leaves are the major organ or major part of the plant who does the transpiration. So transpiration is, you can simply say, it is evaporation of the water. Evaporation of the water from the leaves. And but they are doing that for, there are some purpose for it. Why it is so? Children, when you feel hot, and your temperature goes after playing and after sweating, what do you do first? Before you come to the, after coming to the house, what do you do? Because you played well and you started sweating, what you will do first?
Put on the fan.
Switch on the fan. Okay, very good. And then what else? What do you do?
We will wash our face.
Wash your face. And some people will go for bath also. Now, suppose you are coming from the school. Okay.
We will refresh
You fresh your body, bath. So actually, what are you doing? Why are you doing when you after sweating? Why are you doing that one?
To decrease the temperature.
In order to decrease the temperature, in order to reduce the temperature, to go sweat. And why are you putting the fan? In order to the sweat should evaporate and you feel refreshed. Correct? This is the same purpose the leaves. So transpiration is that purpose. Why you go for bath after playing and you wash your face when your temperature is very high. When you feel hot also you drink lot of water. So for this purposes, the leaves also is a living organism. It may not move from one place to another place, but still it is a living organism. And it also need sometimes a body to cool, their part to cool, because from morning onwards they are standing on one place and they are facing the sunlight. And by afternoon time, what will happen? The sunlight will fall on the root, in root way, correct? You also cannot stand under the sun, but plants are more delicate than you. So they also cannot stand under the sun for a long time. So in order to cool their body, they do this function, transpiration. So in that, who does? Leaves. And which part of the leaves, the major part, that is what we call stomata. Okay. So what is first we'll write, what do you mean by transpiration? So this is the one. The leaves release water from the plant through stomata, which is called transpiration. So what is transpiration? Yes?
Now what about photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis is making the food, preparing the food. That is over, no? That's already been completed. We are coming to the second function. Photosynthesis is a process of making the food. That also leaves do the major part. Similarly, another process, another function done by the leaves is transpiration, and root, stem, all these things is helping the leaves to do the transpiration. So they are helping to fetch the water from the soil. Yeah, roots, they receive the water from the soil and it will be transported through the stem and reach to the plants. And when the temperature is high, the plants will release the water content from the body in order to reduce the heat energy which is falling on them. So leaf release the water from the plant through stomata, which is called transpiration. And we will learn what is stomata later. And what is the two important functions of transpiration? Why do the plants have this process? First one, it helps in cooling down the leaves. The thing what we do when you switch on the fan. Next thing, it plays an important role in water cycle. You already know that the river water, sea water also get evaporated. At the same time, the plants also helpful. The water content which is evaporating from their body also will be helping to form the cloud in the atmosphere. So it is also added to get a rain. So that is why we need to preserve the forest and the plants. It plays an important role in water cycle by increasing the moisture in the air. Okay, so this is the two important process. Why do the plants have transpiration?
Ma'am, can we write this?
Yeah, please write down.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can you
we
please
can write the heading
write in
transpiration.
Yeah, I told you, no. So second function you have transpiration. So we are discussing that.
And can you please explain
Using this
transpiration, the
method
process?
of not method ma'am, this process transpiration, the leaves release water
This-
from them.
This is the definition of transpiration. And these two important functions. Why do the plants have transpiration? For these two purposes. Okay. First point helps in cooling down the leaves. Second point, it plays an important role in water cycle.
It's
And what is stamata? 1 minute. Hello. Can you hear me? Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
for sometimes I was having,
Okay. Okay.
I cannot hear you, so can you tell what is that?
Ma'am, your video is off. Ma'am, your video is off. And we can't hear you.
So has 1 minute. This board
Me
loose.
doing something.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am. For
Okay.
sometimes
Yes, ma'am.
my audio was not, no, my
Yes,
microphone
ma'am,
was not working.
It's
So, ma'am, what do you mean by stomata?
that I did not discuss. First, you complete this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I complete.
excuse me, ma'am.
Everyone completed.
Okay, ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, sometimes weird sounds are coming. Ma'am, there is a error.
Okay. Next part. What is stomata? Stomata has got other name, that what you call guard cells. It is also is a type of cells in the leaves. Okay. Guard cells. And what are the, oh, it's gone. Okay. So please write down. These are the tiny pores. These are the tiny pores, means holes. Okay. You will not able to see with the naked eye. You have to use the microphone to see the stomata. So when you higher classes, you have a practical in +1. Suppose those are going for biology, max stream or something like that. You have this to see through microscope. Okay.
Chemistry.
No, it's a part of biology. These are the tiny pores on the leaves to absorb sunlight. In photosynthesis, stomata also helps in absorbing carbon dioxide, sunlight, and release water through evaporation.
Ma'am, when you're writing the erase, the duster is coming.
Shall I change this slide so that I'll make it small now? Have you completed those who? Have you completed the things
I
which
didn't
is
complete the
written?
definition of stomach.
Okay, so I will write it on the board little up because some are not able to see.
Okay,
1
ma'am.
minute. I'll repeat again.
Ma'am, after writing this, can you please say the process of
Okay.
translation again?
What's Raya?
Ma'am, after writing the definition of stomata,
And
can you
there is
please
Yes,
say
yes.
about
After writing the important functions of transpiration, you have to write what is stomata. Okay.
No,
So
ma'am, can you
these
please explain the process transpiration?
transpiration already over. No, it is only releasing. I already explained. These are tiny pores
It releases the water from
Ah.
the plant.
present on the leaves
That is the process transpiration.
to absorb sunlight.
Sunlight and also carbon dioxide.
carbon dioxide and releases water
And release water
through evaporation.
through evaporation.
When there is a microphone stand near that through
There,
a microphone near through release through
release through.
there is a microphone
That is release through evaporation.
evaporation.
Microphone is if I say that it will type itself. Okay, that's why I don't want that. We can, if I talk, it will type itself on the board. We are not using that.
Happening outside.
Yeah. If I speak itself, it will write, but we don't use it. Okay.
When there is a white pineapple shape.
Somewhere it is there. It has to go somewhere. Where it is, I don't know. It has to. Richard, your sound is breaking. You have any network issue, or my sound is breaking for you?
No,
No, ma'am, your sound is not
Sound
breaking.
is clear and
Okay, okay.
your sound is also
Because
clear.
I was wondering whether I have the problem with my mic or something. Okay, fine. Completed. So this is the transpiration is process releasing the water through stomata from the sleeves for two functions, in order to cool their body, cool the parts of the plants, and also to helping in water cycle. Okay, so that is about the functions of the leaves. So photosynthesis is preparing the food, and then transpiration is releasing the water in the form of vapor through evaporation. Shall we go to next slide? Yes.
Ma'am.
So next part, apart from this, some leaves have some peculiar feature. That is what we call modification of the leaf. Okay, the next heading, you can write modifications of the leaf. This is for one word answers. There are some of the plant, the leaves will take another form. They may not exactly look like leaf. They will take another form. So that is, there are two categories. The leaves take another form. For what purpose? What purpose? The first purpose is leaves are modified to give support to the flowers or support to the branches. Okay. So what is the first modification? The leaves are modified
To give support.
Give support.
Support.
like
To give support.
flower. Have you seen this flower? It's a wild flower. You will see in the yard where there are no houses and all. Outskirts of the town, and you will see this flower, Gloria. Have you seen? I have seen it. Have you ever seen this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
But I don't remember where it is.
You can go for to the internet. You can see this flowers video, something like that.
I think so. Somewhere I have seen this one, but I
It
don't.
is there near our remember that junction is there, no? While you come to
I
the
think
school.
so. There.
Yeah.
When I come
In
through.
that, before you turn into our school road, near that junction, you can see there's some outskirt, lot of forest like land is there. I have seen these flowers over there. Now I think they have removed all those things. Something is coming, some complex or some petrol pump, something came over there now. When you come to the school, you will see there are a lot of changes on the roads. Okay, because you are not
There are
seeing.
no people in the roads.
Yeah, people are plenty, but within 1.5 year in Mala also you have seen so many supermarkets and petrol pumps all came. So it may not be the same school what you saw while you were in fourth
Yes,
standard.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, in near to my house there is a junction.
Okay. Now, what do you mean by leaves? Can you see this is the part of the flower, and you can see down there is some green type
Yes,
of
ma'am.
a narrow structure. It won't look
Yes,
like a
ma'am.
leaf. It won't look like leaf, but it is actually the leaves. They take another form in order to support this flower, because this flower will stand. This flower is little heavy, so it stand like that. So this is modifications of the leaf. Another thing what we see is in the cactus, leaves are modified into spine. You call the thorns of the cactus. Actually, the leaves of the cactus are modified in the form of thorns, and we call them as spines. We don't call them as thorns. Okay, so cactus with spines. So these two are another version of the leaves. So leaves also some peculiar feature in some of the flowers or some of the plants. You see the cactus, it is just like a very thick stem carrying a lot of water, and it is usually we can see big cactus in on mountain areas as well as in desert areas where they don't require much water. Whenever they get one rain, this cactus will store the water in their stem. So they are very strong, and this spines, I mean to say the leaves which formed as a spines protect them or support this cactus plant to remain over there. So that is about the last parts of the leaves, modification of the leaf. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Gautam, tell me.
These leaves do not have like veins, right?
No, because they already formed another thing. No, this has become a thorn, and also in this maybe one narrow veins will be there, but we can't say whether it is a parallel venation or reticulate venation, because they are very tiny structures.
In microscope.
Yeah, with the microscope you will able to see. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Anandesh.
Can these spines do transpiration? Ma'am, only less transpiration they can do, right?
Yeah, they do only less transpiration. That is a cactus plants. They are remaining for long years on the desert land. Okay, so they do the transpiration less. That is why they are living in the desert lands most probably possible. They always in the desert lands, big cactus. But we also grow. There are so many different cactus in our house. No, we grow them.
Yes,
But
ma'am,
these
we
are
get
the.
it from
Mm.
shops.
And we should not pour more water on the cactus plant. They don't require. Maybe once in a week you pour little water, that's enough, because they store all the water. And they also, since the lack of leaf structure, the transpiration they do, but in very little scale or small scale, we can say.
Ma'am,
One drop of water can survive.
Yeah, yes, they can survive. Okay. If you pour more water on them, what will happen that they started decay. Okay. Okay, children, shall we now continue? How
Yes,
much
ma'am.
time
I
left?
haven't ma'am.
Till 11:50, no?
A part
ma'am.
of cactus
Yes,
family.
50.
Okay. So by the time I take first now. Okay.
Zembarati.